fishing with a friend of mine. We're all gonna go come rain or shine. If you wanna come along, then that's just fine, 'cause we're all going fishing with a friend of mine. A little bit of faith is all we need. With Jesus' love, we're gonna plant a seed. That fishing hole is deep and wide, so let's all go fishing with a friend of mine. Oh, the kind of fish that we're talking about are walking upon dry land. If you want to catch one of these, my friend, you gotta love your fellow man. And the words in the good book of painted in red are gonna be the fishing line. And we can go fishing just any old time when we're fishing with a friend of mine. He's a friend of yours, he's a friend of mine. He put us all here by his design. I had another offer, but I declined. Jesus is a friend of mine. Jesus is a friend of mine. It's a mighty fine day to let the good Lord shine. So let's go fishing just one more time. Throw your nets in the water for all mankind, and let's go fishing with a friend of mine. Well, there's fish in the bayou and fish in the sea, plenty of fish for you and me. We're gonna have us a mighty fine time when we all go fishing with a friend of mine. Oh, the kind of fish that we're talking about are walking upon dry land. If you want to catch one of these, my friend, you gotta love your fellow man. And the words in the good book of painted in red are gonna be the fishing line. And we can go fishing any old time when we're fishing with a friend of mine. He's a friend of yours, he's a friend of mine. He put us all here by his design. I had another offer, but I declined. Jesus is a friend of mine. Jesus is a friend of